Hi, Mr. Brown. My name is Celeste, and you have and when I grow up, I'm gonna be a doctor. And you have to give teacher the money so teacher will keep learning, and then we can keep seeds and we can keep growing a lot of stuff in our garden. We can buy puzzles, books, instruments, paper, crayons, magnets, crayons, paint, spray, pillows, yarn, glue, paper, decoration, tape, so we can take some, so we can stamp. And you have to get teacher the money so we can buy a lot of stuff, like paper. Bye. Bye, Mr. Brown.